Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of emaTechTalk. My name is Horan, Sales Director. We have Matt Voigt, the Embedded Cellular Engineer. The previous episode we went through the feature sets of Emma. Now once you want to get started, what do? We have what we call the emaPlay, and that is an Emma dev kit. And we're going to go over those feature sets. So Matt, have you purchased that Emma from our distribution partners, DigiKey and Get Wireless?
It just so happens, Sean, I have. All right, let's take a closer look. So I got my emaPlay kit. It comes in this beautifully designed box.
Yeah.
Let's open it up here quick. We can see inside there you've got the emaPlay hardware with the Emma modem. And so I'm going to spread these out under my camera over here, and let's take a closer look.
Great.
All right, so I've laid these out. And as we can see, we've got the emaPlay kit over here, and it ships with an OptConnect Emma modem that should already be seated inside of it. We also have the OptConnect Gemini antenna, a very nice antenna. That's a MIMO antenna, so it'll connect to both the primary and diversity connectors on the emaPlay kit. It comes with a DC wall wart power supply that will plug in up over here, so you can power the emaPlay kit and the Emma modem as well. And then it comes with two USB cables, and the reason it comes with two is because the emaPlay kit actually provides a USB to serial debug output up here, and it has a Segger J-Link built-in debugger programmer. And so Sean, let's pass it back to you to mention some other important information.
Thanks, Matt. You really get a lot of things within the emaPlay box. It's to help you get started quick, easy, and fast. But there's more. Actually, you get 3 months free service. You get full technical support and support from OptConnect. And you can actually go and register your emaPlay on summit.optconnect.com/Emma. You can also pull down all the hardware, the software, the technical documentation from optconnect.com/emaPlay. And so all of this is all in one box, ready for you to use and get started. But there's also more. You also get access to free a IoT platform to help show the data that you receive from Emma and emaPlay as you get started. And it's from Banyan Hills. They call their IoT platform Canopy. And you can actually start out of the box, go into portal.my-canopy.com, and you get started there. So again, we've made this as simple as possible for you to get started with Emma. Many of our customers can attest to how easy it is to embed Emma in that cellular solution. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.